What's the meaning of bareness? Bareness. Bareness.
Bareness. Bareness. Bareness refers to the state of being naked, exposed or not covered. This can apply to a physical object, such as a barren landscape, devoid of vegetation or life, or to a mental state, such as a lack of emotional depth or complexity. The term can carry a sense of vulnerability, loss, or emptiness, and may be used to describe a feeling of being stripped of something essential or fundamental. In literature or art, bareness may be used to evoke a sense of rawness or simplicity, often associated with a desire for authenticity or truth.